Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely soft folding tunnel cover that is velcroed down. We do get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, spotlight and turn light indicator mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, 12-volt rear vents, and USB and USB-C with 120 volt. And of course, you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, powered mirrors, B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 53,485 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here, your food, paperwork, anything you can really think of. And you do get your normal storage underneath with rear locking diff, drive mounts, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats and dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our auto stop, auto start, and our nice backup camera, hazards and traction. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls here, your navigation. Your fave apps will be found in here, such as your messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8178, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.